If you have error code E777 on your Navien boiler, I'd like to share a way to save $1,000 on repair.
여기 뭐지 세면서 이게 문제가 생긴 건지 모르겠는데.
One cold day, my home was getting chilly, and the indoor temp dropped to 52 degrees Fahrenheit. My wife noticed that the boiler wasn't working properly. I went down to the basement to check it. OMG, I saw error code E7777. I tried turning the power off and on, but the error remained. I looked up the error code in the manual, but couldn't find how to fix it anywhere. I had no choice but to call Isaac for a technician. Thankfully, he came to my house next day and discovered an air vent value wasn't functioning properly. He removed the air in the pipe by releasing a value, then the boiler started working well. However, he charged me $280 for this, and gave me a $1,300 quote for replacing an air valve, maintenance, and pipe repair. The following week, he returned, drained water in the boiler through 2 valves, and replaced only the air vent valve. The cost was $730, $228 for the part, and $450 for labor. Later, I realized I could buy the same air vent value at Home Depot for just $15 and maybe replace it myself easily. I understand paying for their expertise and time even though the labor fee is extremely high. However, I can't comprehend how they charged $228 for a $15 part. It just doesn't make a sense. Hope everyone can solve this problem without paying high cost.